Ciana itatu kwa masitwa Dennis Musyoki wa miaka 13, Samuel Wambua wa miaka 12 na Nicholas Wambua wa miaka 11 na alameta ni wekuma kisakini cha mukuru kwa jengani andu mango ya ulauna manengeleanilwa kiseseni cha kusovya ciana cha The Next kila Limuru na itina mathamigwa kiseseni kingi cha kusovya ciana cha maisha mema Limuru vala methi tumayikala maende na kutethewa kumantha andu mo kuma mwakani wa 2019 mwei wa keli. Dan Mongela ena ilvoti kwa ondhene.
Utanu wa kila mundu kumana umo wake andumo indi Dennis, Nicholas, undumwe na Samuel kumwakani wa 2019 methito maende na kumantha andumo kwa kithito indi kufikia ona umundi mayamona. Ciana hii itatu ila sikwatiwa kana umwasio ni kaunti ya Masaku siosiwe musieni wa Ilovi mukuru kwa jenga siekala mitani na siatoa kiseseni cha polisi wala itina sianengeanilwe kiseseni cha maisha mema na siethitwe siekala vu na kutethewa kumantha andu mamusiwo na kuhanana na musuvi wasio Lilian Kamau kwa ivinda yimwe nisialikanine kana siatiwe ni nyinya woo mitani isu ya Ilovi kwa itumile itamanika ona kwi umundi.
And I've come all the way from Limuru to Machakos County in the aim of tracing for relatives of these three boys that I have here. On my left hand side I have Dennis Musyoki, I have Nicholas who is the youngest, and I have Sammy who is the second born. And we've stayed with these boys from 2019 February, whereby we have been assisting them with the basic things, and we have also been educating them. And backdating to their story, these boys were living in Mukuru kwa Jenga, whereby they were rescued by a good Samaritan. Their mom had left them in the house, and then the good Samaritan took the step because they were abandoned there. She took them to the police. Then the police, because they couldn't house them, they took them to another home called The Nest. The Nest is also in Limuru. It houses children of imprisoned parents. But now these ones, their mother was not imprisoned. And then they couldn't. The Nest offers a temporary placement for kids. Now they reached out to Maisha Mema, whereby we give a more permanent placing for children. And that is how they came to our place. We have been staying with them.
Yu meenda nthi Masaku matethesi kumana na kumantha andu ala maileni na ciana ithi mewetekana nundu wa utania etha ciana ithi nisiokwata andu mo ona kumana inyawo aendie naku.
We all know the best place that a child can grow in is a family. And with the relatives, with parents, or even with or without parents, the relatives can also be their guardians, and they can stay with them. So with us, that is why we are trying to see if we can trace and we can do a successful tracing, that we can reintegrate these kids to their relatives or their family.
Yu ciana hii itatu siende na kuikala musieni wa usuvia ciana kana children's home na maisha mema kila Limuru vala methito maikala kuma mwakani wa 2019 mena wikwati wa kana evindani imwe ni matona kuciokiania na misio.
Just the other day as we were coming this side, I don't know if it's because we were coming to Machakos, Dennis mentioned about Machakos, but anything else to do with the Machakos, nothing. So I tend to think maybe he thought because we are coming to Machakos, maybe that is where they come from. But ever since they came to our place, there has never been any name of the region where they came from. Yes. Appealing to the public to like really help us. Maybe unaweza ona hizi sura za hawa watoto, maybe you can connect. If kabisa you have any idea or anything that resembles maybe the whereabouts of these kids, we would appreciate so much if you come through for us, because we would really be so happy if these boys get to know their relatives and more so even their mother. And they experience the motherly love, because I know it's kind of difficult to stay in a place, in as much as we may give them good life, there's also that bit of I wish we would know where we came from. And the biggest thing they told me, actually even yesterday, they would want to know why she left them.
Daniel Mwonkela, Mutungu TV, kumava kauntini ya Masako.